Please put your hands together very well for the governor.
The other parties declined to participate, like APC and other ones attempted, but they did not even fulfill the conditions of the nomination. So that is where we are on that one. But beyond that, we're doing local government, Ward 3-man ad hoc delegates. As appointees, the electoral law bars you from being a delegate. So you cannot participate. I know it is an ad hoc thing. It will come and stop at the state level. So, but you need to be interested and participate, because painstakingly we have taken time to evolve a process that will culminate into electing a gubernatorial candidate and other candidates of the party. And the process starts from the delegates at the ward. So I want all of you, as appointees of government, to also participate. You know who is coming to do what. Because areas where we have concluded, whether senatorial or House of Reps or House of Assembly, that there are areas that the party is still undergoing. Between today and tomorrow, there are a series of other meetings that we are going to have. So our party's constitution encourages zoning, it encourages harmony, unity of the party, equity, justice, and all that. So we are required to make recommendations. But where the people themselves are not able to do it, we allow for a free, fair, and transparent process for people to nominate their own. But where the party has zoned, the party will also give. That is what we agreed yesterday in our meeting with the leadership of the party. So if we have zoned the position to somewhere, like me, they have zoned the senatorial, the Zone B Senate seat to Makurdi and Mida and Guma local government, and that is where I come from. So anybody who wants to contest must come from Guma. If you come from any other place and you say you want to contest with me, I can write petition against you. So that the screening committee will disqualify you. So there will be every need. You are not contested, and you cannot be delegate, but you must be part of what is happening. You can imagine the large number of you, and this is not all the appointees of government that are here. It's not an easy thing, and I gave you the appointment, and I cannot be everywhere. You are supposed to represent me. So what I'm to tell you today is to ensure that you go back, all of you in the 23 local governments, you must work together. with the leadership of the party at that level. The party leadership here decided yesterday that I should have the prerogative of having one delegate per council ward. But the other 2 delegates too, you must work together to make sure you put people who are ready to work with the decisions of the party. If I talk about permutation that is available, everybody knows. What is wrong about that? So you want to be deceived, you go and spend money, and at the end, they say no. Did Ajene not attempt to be governor? Did Mike Okibe? Did Lawani, Mike Onoja, and all those ones? But the truth is that when this Benue rebate movement came to me, I said, look, we can still realize Idoma governor, but it depends on how you conduct yourselves. So get the stakeholders, get traditional group, get the religious group, get everybody to find a way of peacefully having this transition to Idoma land. And at the end, let all the political parties, let it be a common thing, let all the political parties zone this position to zone C. Then nobody will feel shortchanged. But now, if I agree as leader of the party to say, okay, let us all work and zone the position to zone C, and APC are just waiting. And if they zone it in zone A, I mean, we can as well go and sleep and say there is no need for campaign again because we have lost the election. But if all the political parties zone and we too will zone, there will be a level playing ground for all. And I gave an example of the statistics of the election in 2015 and 2019. And these people have not done this. They want to use blackmail. And when I brought the matter here, and some people were trying to make this a matter of it, I said, okay, why is it that in Zone C, they have not allowed Igede people to win Senate? Why have they not allowed Igede to be senator? That one too, it will only happen when the entire Zone C meet and say, look, let us zone the Senate seat to Igede people. Then they will present somebody who will win, or then there's an agreement. It is not through blackmail. You cannot blackmail people and think you make it. That man called Morgan, they just trying to divide the fragile peace that we have, that we've been trying to build over the years. The truth is that many Idoma sons have told me, let me not say it, let me not say my private discussion with them, that I just say the truth as it is. So that is I was just given a permutation that is on ground. And me, as a sitting governor, you want me to lose election? Who will want that? And all of you who are here, if we do a transition to our own party, some people can still participate in the government that is coming. Isn't it? But if we lose out to another political party, will anyone allow you to enter this government house? So it is very clear. So every one of you must have, don't mind the blackmail. On Sunday when we meet, I will look at the pluses and minuses and agree on a particular person that we will work with out of these two. That will be the decision of the party, and I expect that all those who are my appointees should work towards achieving that, because I'm the leader of the party.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.